like to record how to use. So you okay?
So the instructions are here.
얼굴에도 말라리아 걱정돼가지고 좀 이제
Okay, so you should you spray around your body. So it's
뭐 yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you can clip it.
And then spray on
Yes, you should
the
spray. You should spray around because this one has a very strong scent. So when the mosquito comes,
That's that's convenient.
yes,
the
it's
cream
convenient.
is convenient.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's like a cream. Some
Okay.
small bottles on this side. But in supermarkets, a lot of them. Even the spray, the lotion type, the cream type. So that's all. Even I've seen even one in soap form, like soap. You put water, then you smear it over your body, like soap.
Okay. After washing.
After washing, yes.
After
And
washing
then
my
it's called a very nice scent.
Urate.
Race.
Urate.
Or maybe the tribe.
Yeah, try.
Oh, tribe. Because when you say race, I'm black,
Yeah. I see.
I'm African,
Yes, sir.
I'm
Try.
Zambian, nationality Zambian,
Yeah.
but my tribe is Lala.
Huh?
Lala.
Lala.
Yes.
Zambia.
Yes, Zambia. Zambia has got about 72 to 75 tribes.
Oh, 75 tribes.
Yes.
Wow.
So Lala, as we are approaching this period to surrender, that's the region for the Lalas. Okay. So you fly when are you flying back to Korea?
The end of this month, I go to London, England,
England.
and go back Korea.
Okay. So in Africa, is Zambia the last destination?
No.
You are still going down? Or
Yeah,
you go to
Harare.
Zimbabwe. Oh, Zimbabwe. You connect. there.
Harare and
Harare.
relocate
Malawi now. Okay.
and go back.
And go back. So what's so special in Zimbabwe?
One day delayed, and do you think what time we arrived Capitol Post today? Tonight,
Today around 18 hours.
10 hours?
18.
18?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. I
18
yeah,
hours.
expect. You
Yeah.
expect the time.
So yeah, that is 18 hours.
Mm.
Will you connect from that time? You will still connect to Lusaka? You go by road to Lusaka?
No, we have no idea.
You have no idea.
Yeah, from Kapili Poshi to Lusaka.
Yeah, there are buses that now
Bus.
the time that you arrive in Kapili.
What's the many buses?
Yes, they are. But you arrive in Lusaka around 21 hours or so.
I mean, like, we can't imagine what day we arrive the time. Like, I mean, exactly the time. So, like,
6 p.m. It's
yeah, 6 p.m. But it's gonna be delayed. It's gonna be more early. We can't imagine, right?
Yes, even beyond that. Maybe
midnight or maybe in the morning. I don't know.
but not in the morning.
No.
I can rest assured.
Oh yeah.
Sure, he's
I can
sure.
rest
You
assured.
know that because we were in the Dar es Salaam. We waited 6 hours. The train 6 hours today. It's fine because this is Africa. It's fine. I don't mind. It's okay. Yeah.
So how did you connect from the you looked at it there?
Yeah, there to the
Nakonde.
Nakonde by the tuk-tuk. It was very midnight. Yeah, it was fucking cold outside.
Oh, yeah.
It's like I don't know, 15 or 16 degrees.
Uh-huh.
It was so cold. And then we just trying to across the border line. Yeah, I mean the contact. Then
Was a lot of like milk, milk. They process food,
related food.
related food, talk of
Yeah.
milk, yogurt,
Ah, okay.
beef
okay.
sausage, eggs,
yeah.
everything. So there is some beef.
Uh-huh.
They have categorized according to.
It's like a lot
But-
of the options.
Yes, but the major brand name is Zambeef.
Ah, okay.
Under Zambeef, it has a lot of departments, rather subsidiaries. That's why you find Zam milk, Zambia milk,
milk.
Zam chick,
Some chicken.
that's Zambia chicken. They also produce, it's a conglomerate company which has a lot of production. Yes.
Octopus company.
Wow. So
Sorry that you can be read,
even though taxi is gonna be expensive, then you go to get a taxi. That's fine.
it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
For the sake of safety,
Yeah. Thanks a
yeah,
lot.
that's fine. But by bus, you'll be dropped in a public station.
Yeah, yeah.
From the station again, you take a taxi.
Yeah.
So again,
That's kind of.
You spend a lot of money.
Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah.
yeah.
So it's better from that theory, you pick a taxi. Direct to just tell them, oh, I'm going to such and such a place.
Oh, yeah,
So they will definitely reach you
Yeah.
at the desktop of the hotel.
Do you guys like any like application service? I mean, like Uber.
No. But once in Osaka, there is Yango.
Yango,
Just
yeah,
go,
yeah.
just go online.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but you with Kapiri, these
No.
places are not yet hotel.
It's still countryside.
Yeah. So, but once you reach Osaka, they will provide you with that. You go on the app, you go into the app.
Korea. Yeah, this one.
But they are the same.
Yeah.
Come on.
I know.
I'm from there also.
Good.
I told you can.
안녕하세요.
So what's
Safe is first.
This is one.
Safe. First safe. Second safe. Safe is very important. Safe.
This one.
간전 이치방.
Ah, and then Daichi.
다이치. 간전 다이치.
Daichi.
Important.
Yeah, 다이치 means first. Means
Fast.
you mean the letters?
It's not your own letters. It's alphabet.
Yes, we use the alphabet, the A up to Z. A, B, C, D.
Yeah. I know. I meant you have your own letters like Korean, like Japanese.
No. We have got the standard letters of English.
Like this. This. No. Okay.
So we use them as
Okay.
A, B, C, D.
Okay, I see. Use alphabet. Chicken rice.
Chicken rice, no rice. We love ugali. Do you know ugali?
I know. We know. I will explain to you. No, only no rice. Only shima.
Shima. Yeah, okay. I try Shima.
You try it.
You try.
Yeah. We try. Bro. It's also.
Shima and chicken.
Shima chicken. Apa bagaimana apa?
Actually no. Okay, what is chicken?
You.
Chicken with olive garlic.
심화, 심화.
Shima.
You, how about you?
Shima chicken.
Same.
Same.
여기
Sausage to chicken. So what about this? There is shima chicken. And, shima chicken.
심화.
Shima chicken.
So this is
Just a moment.
So what was the cool name, your language name? Like Zambia, like Tanzania. So they say like Swahili. Swahili.
yeah,
You guys have like a
there is
word?
Bemba,
Bemba.
Bemba, Yanja,
Oh no.
Konga, Lozi, Lala, a lot.
Can't remember.
But you have got the major languages that are commonly spoken, like Bemba.
Bemba is
Bemba is one of the most common. Bemba. Where like
So you told me the language is Bemba. Bemba.
Again, please. No, no, no.
oh this. You use your right,
Use it right.
your right hand.
My turn. And then put.
Then you do that.
Okay. 이게 우갈리 탄자니아에서 우갈리도 하고
And you need it for? Yes. Oh, yeah, that's the hands.
뜨거. 아무 맛도 없는 맛인 것 같아. 이 우갈리는 우갈리라고 하고 요새 여기서 심화라고 한다네. 심화. 아무 맛도 없는 맛. 이제 한두 시간 후면 도착을 하는데 짐은 다 싸놓고 그때 지금 여기에 지금 정거한 기차를 떠날 생각도 안 하고 있네요.
普通に
5000円ぐらい払うんだったら 9시쯤에 도착했으면 좋겠는데 아무래도 더 늦어질지도 몰라서 지금 조금 더 걱정이 듭니다. 왜냐면 계속 지금 도착하는 시간이 한밤중이라 상당히 어려워요. 지금 그 다음 일을 처리하기가. 어제 구경을 올 때도 새벽이 넘었고 또 오늘도 지금 카피리 은포시에서 그 울사카까지 가야 되는데 지금 그게 어렵게 됐어요. 지금 너무 밤에 지금 그 도착을 하고 그 다음에 또 이 모든 사람들이 전부 다 루사카로 가려고 하는 것 같아서 지금 상당히 경쟁이 치열할 것 같기도 하고 하여튼 좀 일단 지나봐야지 알겠지만 좀 또 어려운 과정이 마지막으로 남아있네요. 그래서 행운이 깃들기를 바라고 이 젊은 일본 애들은 뭐 크게 걱정을 안 하는 것 같아요. 왜냐면 어떻게 되겠지 하고. 그리고 오늘 이제 루사카에 뭐 자정이나 한두 시에 내일 새벽 한두 시에 도착한다 그러면 봐서 내일 아침에 그냥 리빙스톤으로 떠나려고 한다고 그러네요. 나는 하루 더 자고 갈 생각입니다. 좀 충전도 좀 하고 좀 쉬었다가 화요일인가요? 아니 그 수요일날 떠나기로 했습니다. 자, 그러면 또 루사카에서 볼까요? 아니면 그 전에 기차를 계속 가고 있습니다.